Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI MediaPad M5, and today I'll show you how to access the download mode on this device. So before we get started, you will need a Type-C USB that comes with the device, and plug it into your computer and have it ready somewhere on the side. Then what you want to do is power off the device, so hold the power key and then select power off. Now once the device shuts off, what you want to do is hold volume up and down, and while holding both of those keys, plug in the cable that we have ready on the side. So I'm actually gonna move it so it's easier for me to hold both of those keys. Okay, so while I'm holding both of the keys, I'm gonna plug it in, as you can see, and keep on holding. As you can see, we're now in the download mode. So I'm just gonna reposition it. Just give it a moment, it's gonna start installing update, and it will look like it's stuck at 5% probably for the entire process, as it usually does. And once it's finished, it's gonna basically reboot the device. And as you can see, now the device is rebooting. And now the process is fully finished. So that is basically how you would access the download mode. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.